We can burn bright for periods of time. Eventually, though, there's nothing left. Good morning. So this is a follow-up on raising your vibration, low vibrational activities and high vibrational activities. So as we start to burn brighter, so to speak, we also have to keep in mind that that can be burning fuel. So we have to be very, very cognizant of maintaining our health and rebuilding those fuel supplies, or at least diminishing them as minimally as possible. So when we're doing this, simple things become very important, like eating high quality foods, drinking high quality water, breathing as high quality air as you can find, and being here in the middle of the forest with a river, which you might be able to hear. Trees, moss is about as good as it can get up in the mountains here when it comes to air quality. So breathing good air, drinking good water, eating good food. Along with the food and water comes high quality mineralization, so you have high quality conductivity within your receptor systems in your body. And then we get into feeling and being choiceful of what it is that we're feeling. So from an emotional standpoint, you would have higher vibrational emotional activity and lower vibrational emotional activity. And same with your thoughts. Thoughts that keep you inspired, strong, and feed both your regeneration and your growth. And of course then the opposite, thoughts and perspectives that detract from that potential. So we're always looking at, as we're working on this process and walking this path, it's a constant raising of your vibration, which burns fuel. So we have to take care of ourselves from many, many different perspectives and engage in regenerative practices as well on all levels, so that we can continue this process of growing, evolving, and refining the state of light and existence that we are merging with, resonating with that, and at the same time not just burning out the physical body in a flash. So anyway, a little more food for thought, things to keep in mind that I found to be very true. We can burn bright for periods of time, and eventually though, there's nothing left. And this is where having a well-rounded perspective comes in handy, right? We really, really want to take care of ourselves on all levels so that we can keep walking this path in as safe and healthy a way as possible. All right, thanks for your time. Bye.